Hey everybody, it's Alana here again with another video for you guys. Now's the time of year where it's spring and lots of things are growing and flowers are blooming and lots of new baby animals are brought into the world, and sometimes those baby animals come from eggs. So can you think of some animals that lay eggs? Let me think. Well, who laid this egg? Maybe it was an elephant? No. What do you think it was? It was a chicken. You're right. So chickens lay eggs, and snakes lay eggs, and crocodiles lay eggs, and birds lay eggs. So today we are going to do an egg experiment that's really fun and really easy, and it's a very cool one that you can try in your house. So to do this experiment, you are going to need this paper, which I sent you in a link in the email. If you don't have this paper, don't worry. This just helps you take it another level up. And for older children, they can practice writing. For younger children, they can just practice predictions and results. So if you have an older child, you can actually have them write the material here or a number if you want them to practice numbers. And if you have younger children, then you can just talk about what their guess is and what the answer was, which is prediction and results. And these are basic science concepts for this age group. So our experiment today, in order to do this experiment, you are going to need a few hard-boiled eggs, like what I have here in my bowl. You are going to need plastic bags, like these. You're gonna need some rice. You're gonna need a blanket or a towel. And you're gonna need a small stuffed animal that can fit inside one of the bags. You're also gonna need the worksheet that I sent to you. And also you're gonna need some sort of a writing utensil, like a pen or a marker. So our first thing that we're gonna try is we're gonna see if we think that this egg is going to break if I put it inside a bag of towels. If we think if I put it inside these towels and I drop it, if it's gonna break. So now is the time when you guys can write here if you think it's gonna break or not. So if you think it's gonna break, then you color this one. If you think it's not going to break, then you can color this one. For older kids, you can write here, you can write blanket or towel. Or if you want, your child can write here the number 1. So, shall we try it? Let's see. So let's take a pause while I get ready to put this egg inside the bag. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So here's the blanket. And here's my egg. We're gonna wrap the egg up nice and tight and safe in this blanket. I'm gonna put this egg blanket inside my bag. And I am going to stand up on a chair or from a height. And we're gonna drop it and see if it breaks. Are you ready? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Bonk. Let's see if it broke. I'm gonna pick it up now. Let's see, we're gonna open it up. Let's see. Aw, man, it broke. So the blanket, it didn't protect the egg very well. So here on my sheet, under this one, you're gonna color in this one because it broke. So I'll give you a second to do that while I set up for the next drop. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's the second one. Now under the second one, you can decide if you think that the egg will break or it won't break if I put it in a bag with a stuffed animal. What do you think? Do you think it's gonna break? Or do you think it's gonna be okay? Let's take a minute and think about it. If your child is older, here you can have them write animal or you can have them write the number 2 here, okay? So guys, take a guess. You think it's gonna break or it's not gonna break? I'm gonna pause the video and get it ready, and then we'll see. Okay, my egg is in the bag with Owlie, and maybe we can do it with Monkey. Maybe he'll fit in there too. We're gonna try and protect the egg, kind of like we did with the blankets. Let's try and get the egg in between the two animals here, kind of like they're hugging it a little bit, so you can't really even see the egg in there. And we're gonna drop it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, Geronimo! Let's see what happened. Hold on. Wow! I don't know about you at home, but my egg was safe. Those stuffed animals really hugged that egg so tight. My egg didn't break at all. So I don't know about it at home, if your egg broke or not, but my egg didn't break. So here, under the answer, I'm gonna circle this one, because my egg was fine. And now let's try the last material for now, and let's see what happens. My last material is my bag of rice. So again, on your worksheet here, under this section, if your kid is older, they can write rice, or they can write the number 3. And again, guys, I want you to guess if you think it's gonna break or not break in the rice. What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna be safe, or you think it's gonna break? Let's see. I'm gonna set it up and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have the egg, I have the bag of rice. Let's tuck it really tight inside there. Tight, tight, tight. Covering it with as much rice as I can. Trying not to see the egg. Okay, you ready to drop it? You can tie a little knot on the top if you don't want all the rice to spill all over your floor. I'm gonna do that maybe really fast. Hold on one second. Pause. Okay guys, are you ready? I have a knot so I don't have rice all over my floor. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, Geronimo! Aw, man. Let's see what happens. I said, aw, man, because my plastic bag opened when I dropped it and all the rice got all over my floor. Aw, man, so now I have to clean it all up. But my egg is safe. So, under my 3rd section on the worksheet I sent you at home, under this section, under the results, you can circle that the egg was fine. Okay? And you can continue on with this experiment with as many eggs and as many materials as you want. You can make it to any level for any child. And I hope that this, not too messy, it was messy for me because my rice bag exploded all over my floor. But this not too messy science experiment works out for you guys. And why don't you send me all your videos with the results of your experiments. You can also take a picture of your worksheet that you did with your kids so I can see what you guys tried in your house. Okay? I love you. Mwah. Bye.